So this is the kitchen, the Mayroses Hotel kitchen, where you can place your meals order, whether local Nigerian meals or international. That is intercontinental delicacies. These are our cook, you know. They are here, they are neatly dressed and responsible women. Understand? The place is a very serene atmosphere. So you can come with your family, even yourself or your family. You are on holidays from abroad, America, China, Europe, Germany, UK. You come and relax here. You understand? See.